like this or this? Would you rather run like this? You don't know about good form running? Well, we're going to show you real fast. First, what you have to do is you got to get your posture down. So you're going to straighten up your body. You're going to feel like there's something pulling at your head, the center of your head, and just pulling you up. And you're going to have yourself nice and straight. That's the first thing you're going to do. You're going to take your hand and put it on your chest and put your finger there. And you're going to line your chin on your finger. And now you're going to have very straight posture. Now what we can't do, we can't really run like this because it would be awkward. So what you do is now you have to get what we call athletic legs. You're going to loosen your knees up. Okay? So now my knees are nice and loose, and my posture is very nice and straight. I'm going to turn a little bit so I'm facing down the sidewalk here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my hands into a 90-degree angle, and I'm going to keep them in. So what a lot of people do is they'll run like this, and all your momentum is going this way or that way and not going forward. We want our momentum to be forward. So we're going to keep our arms at a 90-degree angle, and we're going to move them like this, straight up and straight down. Okay? Now the only thing we have to do now is we have to start running. So what we recommend typically is what we call 180 beats per second. I know what that is, but if you don't, what I would suggest is you get your cell phone out, you pull down a metronome app, they're free, put it on 180, hit it. And what you want to do is that every time you hear a beep, a foot's going to hit the ground. So left, right, left, right, left, right. You can do that every time it beeps. So it's going to be like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And this is at 180. You want to keep that cadence, it's called, going at 180 beats per second. And then all you have to do to run is you're going to bend, not at the waist, like some people do. You're going to bend at the ankles. And the more you bend at the ankles, the faster you'll run. Okay, so there you have it. Now you know how to go out and run the right way. This way you'll be injury-free. You're going to be able to run. It's going to feel a lot better. You're not going to be as tired. Your momentum is going to be going forward, which is what you want it to do. You can control your speed based on how much you lean. So if you feel like you're running out of breath, just lean back a little bit. And if you feel like you can go a little faster, lean a little forward. And all you're doing is you're keeping yourself from falling on the ground, basically. So if you follow this, you're going to have a great run, you're going to feel great, and you're going to get some great benefit of exercise while not without hurting yourself. And I also want to thank my dog for helping me today. That's Snickers. Thank you so much for helping. You've been a great help. Until next time, thanks a lot. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you want to get. I'm going to be putting out videos every week, and also click on the bell so that way you'll be notified whenever I put out any of this great content. But new videos will come out every Thursday. Thank you. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.